Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have a new series of Hot Wheels mystery models today. So today we have the second mystery model. So anytime I buy mystery models, I always try to get these free, which I found a new trick, guys. So here it is, right? So there's a new trick. So if you put this flap down and you look at this, you see this is normal, right? But look, see there's a slash and it says 02. So this code is very simple. So just example. On here, this is car number 2. So if you want to find out which car you want to get, just go to each one of these, flip it. Look, if it says like number 1, then you got this car. If this number, forget about this one. Okay, that doesn't matter. Only that number matters right there. If it says number 3, then you're getting that one. Any other number, then yeah, if you get it, then you get it. So you just gotta have one of those maps where you can just see what number the car is, and it's very simple to see. Just see, oh, I got number 2. This is gonna be the Chevy, so let's crack it open. Because I used the trick, so 100% this is the Chevy. It's alright. Here is the map I was talking about. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Listen. It has, like, see, it says 02. I got the custom truck. Yeah. Yo, look at that, guys. I told you. Look at that. Wow. But yeah, guys, look at that. I told you we were going to get the Chevy truck. Just listen to the number on the back of this and you'll get the car. So here it is. I did not expect the car to look this good. I kind of like it. I love the chrome wheels and the little island tour on it. It has a little mask here. Very nice blue and leaves on it. It's like a pattern on the hood with some leaves on it, like green and blue. Very nice, like 90s style. I love the beige carrier in the back. Bottom part is all chromed out. Very nice blue stripe that goes around the truck or pickup truck. Has a very nice blue glass on it, and a big chrome bumper and a back bumper too. It's pretty big, and we also got the sticker for it. So we'll be saving that. Let's put it up here. Chevy pickup truck. So yeah, I was thinking that the wheels weren't chrome on this. I was thinking they're gonna look not that good. But yeah, guys, here it is. Look at that. I love this truck actually. So we got the bag, and we got our map. So we don't really need the map because we already know. I already bought the other cars, so we're gonna open them in another video. But yeah, guys, today I just want to show you that cool little trick that I found out about these mystery models. Because before, I was always trying to get the Toyota Supra. If you guys remember that video, then you know you guys are a veteran. So, I always I felt the cars, but I never looked at the serial number. So I kind of missed out on getting the Supra, so yeah. But at least I got, now I know this trick now, so I can just collect all of them with a breeze. So yeah, guys. Just wanted to show you the trick I got in the mystery models. But yeah, guys, I want you to check out my TikTok, Zede Vlogs, and my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. Hope you have a fantastic day, and yeah, bye. No.